Welcome back to Everyday Kentucky. On today's Truck Talk with H&A Law, I am joined by Jon Hollan. Thanks so much for coming back.
Thank you for having us again today. We appreciate it.
Okay, Jon, tell me about some of those mechanical issues that happen on the roadways with these big trucks.
So as we've talked about before, the size and weight of these trucks makes the result of crashes often devastating. Federal studies have confirmed that more than 10% of crashes involving commercial vehicles result from some type of mechanical issue. Three of the most common mechanical issues that we see from working on these cases are brake failure, tire blowouts, and lighting issues. Now, I know when most people think of a lawyer, they think suit and tie, desk job, but in this world, in this arena, it's a lot different than that. Some lawyers don't want to leave their desk, don't want to get their hands dirty. But when we work on these cases, you get the report in or you look at the police investigation, and unfortunately the trucking company, the driver, they might not report any type of mechanical issue. So we are spending a lot of days when we work on these cases in the junkyards. We are getting underneath vehicles. I'm getting under the hood of vehicles. And part of being able to connect the dots is collecting the dots on these cases. And unfortunately for many families, these are absolutely issues that could be prevented if these trucks are cared for the right way, inspected the right way. As in the post-COVID world, we've all, myself, my family, I'm sure you're guilty of, we order everything online. So there are more trucks on the road now. There are more companies on the road now, Amazon alone. The amount of trucks that they have on our roads, in our neighborhoods, every single day have just led to more and more of these crashes. And unfortunately, over the last 2 years, we've just seen such an uptick in crashes where the mechanics are an issue.
And I know every week when you come here, I learn something new that I was not even aware of. And so this one is such a big one that I wouldn't think about. Oh, a windshield wiper. Oh, a wheel, is not fit properly on the truck, or so it just brings awareness to the whole community just to make sure, hey, just watch out. We're all just trying, and just be careful.
Yeah, it's school's out for the summer. Families are going to be doing vacations soon. Unfortunately, the interstate with higher speeds are where we see so many of these mechanical failures happen at. When you have an 80,000-pound vehicle that suddenly loses control, it's a missile coming at you. And unfortunately, we see way too much of this type of case and the devastation that it leads to for families.
And so if someone finds themselves in this situation, how can they contact you and your firm?
Yeah, we can be reached at 859-888-8000. We have offices here in Lexington, also in Louisville. We handle cases all across Kentucky. I think you guys also provide everyone with our website information, our social media. Contact us today if we can help you.
Thank you, Jon, for this week's Truck Talk. We really appreciate these every week.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Keep it right there on Everyday Kentucky.